experts calculate the exact ratio, usually about 70% lean meat and 30% fat. All of these ingredients will be put through a modern grinding system, where stainless steel blades rotate at high speed to chop the meat into fine particles. The sound of the grinding machine blends with the rumbling engine, creating a bustling and industrial atmosphere. After grinding, the meat will be mixed with spices. This is the soul of the sausage: salt. Pepper, garlic, nutmeg, coriander, sometimes wine or dried herbs, all blend, permeate each fiber of meat. This process not only creates a characteristic flavor but also helps preserve the product longer. Large capacity mixers rotate continuously, kneading and vacuuming at the same time, to remove air bubbles, helping the meat mixture to be sticky and smooth. Supervisory engineers always monitor the temperature, humidity and mixing time. To ensure perfect uniformity. When the mixture is ready, it will be transferred to the stuffing stage. Sausage casings can be natural casings made from the small intestine of pigs, which have been thoroughly cleaned and processed, or artificial casings made from collagen and cellulose. Natural casings provide a crunchy feeling when bitten, while artificial casings are convenient, uniform in size and easy to preserve. Modern sausage stuffers operate continuously, pumping the meat mixture into the casings with just the right amount of pressure, forming long strips of sausage. The machine then twists the casings at fixed intervals to divide them into pieces of standard, even length. Looking at thousands of sausages lined up, waiting for the next step, we can see the orderliness and precision of the production line. The next step is heat treatment, the decisive factor in the flavor and safety of sausages. There are many different methods: steaming, boiling, or smoking. In modern factories, giant steaming systems can process thousands of sausages at the same time. The hot steam is evenly distributed, cooking the meat inside, while helping the spices penetrate deeply, creating a characteristic aroma. Some types of sausages are put into a smoking chamber, where sawdust from oak or cherry wood smolders, spreading golden smoke. It is this layer of smoke that creates the beautiful brown color and unforgettable rich flavor. The smoking process not only creates flavor but also has a preservative effect, helping the sausage last longer. After being cooked or smoked, the sausage will go through a rapid cooling stage. This is an extremely important step, to bring the internal temperature of the sausage down in a short time. Preventing N prevents bacteria from growing, while maintaining a firm structure. Industrial refrigeration chambers with strong cool air help thousands of sausages quickly reach a safe state. From here, they will continue to be brought to the packaging stage. Modern packaging machines can vacuum, tightly wrap sausages in multi-layer plastic film, both preventing air from entering and preserving the flavor. After packaging, sausage packages are printed with labels with full information, ingredients, expiration date, nutritional value. Every detail is tracked by production batch code, so that if an incident occurs, the factory can quickly trace the origin. Sausage boxes are stacked neatly, ready to leave the factory. From the factory, they will be distributed to supermarkets, stores, and finally the meals of millions of families. Each small sausage you enjoy is the result of a series of strict processes, modern technology and the meticulous labor of many people. And when you bite into a piece of sausage, you not only feel the fatty, salty flavor, but also the crystallization of an entire advanced food industry. Once the packaging process is complete, the trays of sausages are taken to the factory's cold storage. Inside the warehouse, the temperature is always maintained at a standard level, usually below 5 degrees Celsius, to ensure that the product is always fresh before shipping. Shiny stainless steel shelves are stacked on top of each other, containing thousands of sausage packages ready for the next journey. All are monitored by a modern sensor system, continuously reporting to the control center for temperature, humidity and storage status. Thanks to that, each sausage package maintains its quality from the time it leaves the production line until it reaches the consumer. Meanwhile, inside the factory, the quality control system is constantly operating. A team of food technology engineers and testing specialists regularly take samples from each batch of sausages for analysis. They check the humidity, salinity, protein content, fat, as well as microbiological factors. The laboratory is located right in the factory, with modern analytical machines, allowing the detection of the smallest deviations. If a batch of products does not meet the standards, the entire quantity will be eliminated, regardless of the cost. It is this strictness that has created the prestige and trust of consumers in the food industry. In parallel, another department is responsible for researching and developing new products. Sausages do not have just one flavor, but have been transformed into hundreds of different types. There are soft, fresh sausages, processed on the same day to cook with dishes. There are rich smoked sausages, suitable for outdoor barbecues. There are dry sausages, preserved for a long time but still retain their characteristic flavor. To create that diverse experts constantly experiment with new spices, combining herbs, cheeses, and even pureed vegetables. Each successful recipe goes through dozens of tests before being officially put into mass production. The sausage production process is also associated with automation technology. Nowadays, many factories have applied robots in the sausage stuffing and twisting stages. The mechanical arm operates rhythmically, dozens of times faster than humans, but still ensures absolute precision. Sensor systems and surveillance cameras continuously analyze the size and shape of each sausage, automatically eliminating substandard products. That helps the line always operate smoothly, with fewer errors, minimizing waste of raw materials. And more importantly, it frees up human labor, so that workers can focus on monitoring and adjusting machines instead of doing heavy labor. Another interesting point is the attention to hygiene and safety throughout the entire process. Factory staff must wear pure white protective uniforms, including gloves, masks, hair caps and specialized shoes. Before entering the production area, they must pass through a disinfection chamber, where the whole body is sprayed with a sterilizing mist and shoes are dipped in a disinfectant solution. The floor is always washed with food-safe chemicals after each production shift. And the surfaces that come into contact with meat and sausages are made of easy-to-clean stainless steel. All of this is to eliminate the risk of cross-contamination, ensuring that the final product is absolutely clean. Not only focusing on production, many factories also aim for sustainability. The bones, skin, and byproducts from pigs that are not used for sausages will be used to process animal feed, produce gelatin, or make organic fertilizer. Wastewater from meat washing and equipment cleaning is treated through a multi-layer filtration system and reused for stages that do not directly contact food. This not only helps reduce operating costs, but also contributes to protecting the environment, building the image of a modern and responsible food industry. Let's look at the distribution journey after the sausages leave the factory. Modern refrigerated trucks with continuous cooling systems will transport the goods to distribution centers. Each truck has temperature monitoring sensors and GPS positioning, ensuring that during the transportation process, the product never exceeds the allowable temperature. At the distribution centers, the sausages are divided into small pieces and delivered to each supermarket, convenience store, and even large restaurants and hotels. From here, the product is closer to consumers, appearing in daily meals, in quick breakfasts or cozy barbecue parties. If we follow a package of sausages from the factory to the dining table, we will see an incredible journey. A family can use sausages to prepare breakfast with bread and fried eggs. A chef can cut sausages into small slices to make pizza, and groups of young people can grill golden sausages on hot coals during a picnic. In any situation, sausages still bring convenience, speed, and maintain the inherent attractive flavor. And each of those moments is associated with technology, labor and strict control that we have witnessed in the factory. Besides serving culinary needs, sausages are also a testament to advances in food processing technology. From handmade sausages that appeared hundreds of years ago, people have now created giant production lines that can produce hundreds of tons of sausages every day. This development not only meets the growing needs of modern society, but also brings traditional products to the global market. Famous sausage brands are now present in dozens of countries, carrying the unique identity of each region, but still maintaining the inherent convenience. Behind every piece of sausage you enjoy is a series of tireless efforts, from pig farmers, line design engineers, machine operators, to researchers finding new recipes. All work together to create a product that is both nutritious and an indispensable part of culinary culture. It is this connection that has made the sausage industry successful. An industry that seems simple, but in fact contains the essence of technology, science and creativity. After sausages were widely distributed to the market, their journey did not stop there. In supermarkets, each package of sausages is displayed on a shiny cold counter, the fluorescent lights shining down to highlight the delicious color of the product. Consumers passing by, many people stop to choose. Some are familiar with a specific brand. Others are curious to try a new flavor. Each sausage when reaching customers carries trust, because they know that behind that discreet packaging is a strict quality control chain. It is this trust that motivates the sausage industry to constantly improve and develop. It is undeniable that sausages have become a part of modern life. In busy mornings, with just a few minutes of preparation, we can prepare a nutritious meal with crispy fried sausages served with bread and eggs. At family parties, sausages appear on the charcoal grill, giving off an enticing aroma that makes everyone's heart flutter. And in restaurants and hotels, sausages are elevated to become ingredients in many creative dishes. Braised sausages in wine, sausages in tomato sauce, or fatty grilled sausages with cheese. Each dish is a testament to the versatility of this product. If we go back inside the factory, we will see that the sausage production line does not stop at precision and speed, but also constantly innovates technology. The automatic control system is increasingly equipped with artificial intelligence, allowing predictions and adjustments in real time. For example, when the sensor detects that the meat mixture is not moist enough, the system immediately adjusts the rotation speed of the mixer or the amount of additives added. Thanks to that, the final product always